shoes. Heels. Okay, I finally found my heels. Got them. This is purple. Wow! Loaded.
Sabi ng saksakan, ito, pinapayong na ang mapag-uli. Ay, okay.
Why is it so hard? What is my grandma? What is my auntie doing? What is, by the way, my auntie doing? I did my makeup. I put the flower. I put the flower that my crush, my boyfriend gave me. So today is prom. I think today is actually Halloween. And the teacher said I should be wearing heels. And also the thing that you're wearing at home. What the? Okay, I can.
When Nia, connecting to the internet, you're offline.
Yeah, signal sa computer. May run signal sa computer. Okay, bye mom. I'm going out. Alright. I'll just call a taxi. I'm not a baby anymore. The taxi.
How will it go?
Okay, I'm finally outside. Oh, there's my taxi. Where's my taxi? Wait, I didn't call the taxi. I forgot. Where's my phone? At Miss Norris's class. Okay, I know Miss Norris's class. Hi, sis. Oh, what? Wait, why do I? Since when Miss Norris was teaching the class? The music class.